Alright, here's my Yz250. Just got it back from the shop last night. Brand new top end, brand new crank seals, brand new all gaskets all around the motor. Well, he did the suspension in the back, he was working with that. The bike is pretty much, the only thing that's not new on the bike is the tires and brakes and grips. Other than that, the bike really needs nothing. It's really clean. Got the R304 on there. It is cold start. Haven't started this thing up in a little while. It pretty much has like 5 minutes on it. I am a little short for the bike though, so I have to put you somewhere. My bad if you guys can't see. I can't see that right now. I'm doing this with sneakers too. I just gotta turn the idle up a little bit. I'm not sure exactly which screw it is though, but because the carburetor only has one screw on it. Nothing on this side. Absolutely nothing. And this side only has that one little, where's the thing? One little screw right there. See if you can move. One little screw right there. Other than that, I have no other screws. So I'm not sure. I know that that's my air fuel mixture. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think.